In this video, you're going to learn all about the powerful Lifter LMS email engagement system. So let's look at an example. This is a health and fitness course, and let's say we want to send an email out right at the beginning to encourage new students to stay with the program and stay focused and stay motivated. So in the back end of Lifter LMS, the first thing we need to do is add an email. You can see I've got one started here. And I'm calling this Welcome to My Health and Fitness Course. That's just the title of the email if I need to find it later. Now I'm just going to add some content here. And if you look down below, you can see we can merge in certain pieces of information into the email which will be personalized to the user. So you can see how I'm saying hi, first name of the user. You made it to whatever today's date is. You're just one day into my health and fitness program. Don't give up. Tomorrow is going to be awesome. Also, don't forget to introduce yourself in our private Facebook group. Stay strong, Chris. And you can see what I'm doing here is I'm writing a message, sending a message to a user right at the beginning when I know historically that some of my past students may have failed or their motivation was tested and that sort of thing. So I'm trying to proactively encourage them to stay motivated and also encourage them to connect with their peers so that they can have that motivation from each other as well. So this is just the content of an email that would go into the email body. You can write an email subject line, and you can even put more information if you want like a heading in the email. And I'm going to go ahead and update or publish that. And then now let's create an engagement. So I went to engagements, add new, and this is the Stay Strong email engagement. So what type of engagement are we sending here? Well, this is an email, and I want to send this Welcome to My Health and Fitness Course email that I just created. I want to do this one day, so a day of one day, since the course was purchased. And I need to select which course. So that is ready to roll, and for the life of this course, that email is in place to motivate every new student when they come in and get started. And there's so many different ways to use email engagements, from sending an email if a student hasn't logged in X number of days, or rewarding them for their sense of accomplishment after they created a certain section, lesson, or even the entire course. So there's so much you can do with email, and I would encourage you to use email as a tool to keep your students motivated.